Hey guys, AR here today, and today we'll be looking at how to create a random player selector. So in Studio, this will randomly select a player from the playlist. So let's get straight into it. First, going to start a GUI by creating our GUI and insert a screen GUI. Call this. Let's go and call this random. Going to go in text label. Going to go in and let's make this pretty nice. So I'm going to make it like that and put it right in. Actually, what we're going to do, so go to size and say 5, so we can put this right in the middle of the screen. We can say 500 and we can say position, we can say, oh yeah, now we got that. Now let's go into position and say put it right in the middle of the screen, so 0.5. And we need to put the offset of it, so we can say minus 250 because that's half of it, so put it right in the middle. And and that's fine. So now we've done that. Now let's insert a local script. Local script into this. And we're going to say locals. This is gonna be the player chooser. So I'm gonna say local players equals game players colon get children. So what we're doing in here, and we're gonna go into the players. So if we were the server right now, we'll be looking here, and we're gonna get the children. We're gonna get all of them. So if we say, well, now we've got all of the players. So now we're gonna get in the randomizing it. So actually, I'm gonna add a wait, and wait does it just slows it down. So you can say just wait. Well, the script will pause for what time you put in here. So I'm gonna say 1. If it's 1, it'll be 1 second. If you say 0.5, it'll be half a second. So now we're gonna say local chosen 1 equals players. And say press these square brackets. You need to get these square brackets, and you can say math dot random, and we're gonna say 1, comma hashtag players. So here we're gonna say a math dot random until how much players are in the game. So the hashtag, if we just said say 2 and say there was 3 players in the game, the script will corrupt because it'll be like, why is this script saying there's only 2 players in the game? Well, there's actually say if there's 3. So we can have to say hashtag, so hashtag players. So how much players are in the game? 1 of them out of these players. So now we're going to say script.parent.text equals, oh yeah, and we actually forgot to design this. So firstly, let's make it bluish and change border size pixel to 2. And going to change the text, Gotham, and scale this, and say the game is choosing a random player. Now we're going to go back into script, and we're going to script the parent to text actually is going to say chosen 1 dot name dot dot. We have to have this dot dot. If you don't, it'll be like chosen dot name, because you have to concatenate by putting these dots, 2 dots here. I'm going to say dot dot and a space. We're going to say chosen 1, and then we'll say has been chosen. So now we'll go and run the script, anything, and what we could do actually, we can say wait, say wait 0.5, and we can say chosen 1. We can say dot character. We can say dot humanoid dot health equals 0. So now if we can run this game, we should get the GUI saying my name because I'm going to be the only player in the game, and I should die. And I should die in the game. Just wait for it to load. Be sure to like and subscribe in this game. That will be, like and subscribe to my channel. Be highly appreciated. And let's wait for it. And we should say arsenalproggggg has been chosen. It was a bit too quick, and it's killed me. So there we go. The game is choosing a random player, and arsenalproggggg has been chosen. So this is going to be do it repeatedly. And what you could do, we could say make it cooler, so we can teleport them to somewhere. Let's say wait 3. So what we're gonna do is let's go over here, insert a part. Oh, a bit too far away, and to scale it, so we can actually have it. I'm gonna make it again. So this could be like a map. We could say put this as make it that. So this could be spawn. And so if we go down here quickly, wanted another one, let's just copy and paste that. Put this here, maybe change the colors, say about, I don't know, let's put red. So let's make 2 players on here. Let me just move this out a bit. And and scale this a bit more. I don't know, like that. And maybe scale this again. And we could have this. We could teleport. So we could its name in it. We need to spawn. We don't just do a spawn workspace. Let's just go and make a folder. Oh, not explosion folder. I want to call this spawns. Actually, we just need one. Spawns. And have this spawn here. And we can put this in here. And now we can have, say we'll put, yeah, this will actually, yeah. So these anchored, I don't think they are, no they're not. And spawns anchored. Okay, now we're gonna go into here, back into our script. I'm gonna say humanoid that have, well actually what we're gonna say, chosen one dot character dot, and now we're gonna say humanoid root part, because this will, if we change the position of this, it will change the whole body. So dot C frame, I'm gonna say equals game. Actually, first we can say we'll just make a variable. So we say local spawn, spawner, or like spawner doesn't matter. You can call it every name you want. Okay, so we can say local spawn equals game workspace dot spawns dot spawn, and we can seat frame. We can say spawner dot C frame. So if you go and run this game, we should get teleported to this position. Wait for it to load. This could be quite useful in your game if you like having like a mini game or something like that. Alright, it's going to say arsenalproggggg is chosen. Wait for it. Oh, and we're stuck in here. Oh yeah, I forgot to make it can glide off, and now it's working. We've been teleported to this position. Might need to improve that building because it's a bit like spinny and that. So now, random player GUI, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like.